Basically, I'm gonna be showing you how to make, or I'm gonna be burning random shit and see what happens. Literally, guys, I'm just about to do a house tour. This is my kitchen. This is my living room. This is my dining room. And this is my toilet. I have the rest of the rooms upstairs, but I'm not gonna show you because you don't deserve it. Alright, I'm gonna be burning random shit. I'll be back. My first item that I'm gonna be burning is gonna be an egg. Oh shit. Oh shit, mate. This is my last egg. Oh, looks like I'm not having no eggs. If you don't believe me, I'm putting the egg on. And I'm going 9-9. I thought I just stopped the video with my fat ass. And see what happens. I am going to be doing a fast forward video and show you what happens after the results. Oh shit! Smells like eggs. Literally, guys, I think I just messed up my microwave. And I'm kind of a dumbass for that. I will be back when I clean the mess. Psych, bitch. I am not gonna post the video. Comment down what should I do in my next video so I have an idea. But I literally really just messed up my microwave. Hope my mom doesn't whoop my ass. And if she whoops my ass, then I will be dead. Ah!